I'm ready to glue the first leaflets of the Bellflowers here. I've got the excavation of the right here. It's not very deep, less than a 1/16 inch deep. And I've cut out the little leaflets. I'll do this side of the leaflets and glue them in first, and then excavate for the other side and do those separately. So I'm ready to glue, I think. I'll just get the hot hide glue here stirred up a little bit. Okay. Let me see if I can press that down in there. Some little squeeze out of glue there, which is a good sign. Yeah. That went in nicely. Let's see if the second one will work as nicely. That's enough glue. Let me move that around there a little bit. Okay. Yes, squeeze out. Like to see that. Okay. Oops, whoa. Almost lost that one. If it drops on the floor, I'll have to cut out another one because I'll never find it down there in that mess. Pencil worked pretty good for moving that around. Yeah. Okay. 3 more to go. And they get so tiny, gets harder. I tried to match the size of these things to the photographs from the White House of this piece. So it's just from pictures that I tried to duplicate what the shape and the size of these things. Okay, that seems to go in nicely. These two down here were made with carving gouges that are, I think, number 5 millimeter. Ooh, that's a lot of glue for that little thing. I don't worry too much about the glue, excess glue, because I just scrape it off after it hardens flush with the surface. Now if I can just scoot that in there. Let's see if I can press that down. Yes. Yes, that went nice. I can probably just knock off a little of that extra here. I've got a wet rag next to me here for that purpose. Okay, one more, and this one is the only one. Ooh, there isn't a pair or a third leaflet, just one leaflet, vertically oriented. Now, if I can just get that in there without losing it. Yes, okay. I like that. Now I'm going to put a little glue on top surface there just to make sure I cover any gaps. I'm just going to leave that like that and let this sit overnight, and then I can scrape that flush with the surface, dig out the alternate sides, and glue those leaflets.